Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung budget hearing sa Senado na kung saan tinalakay nila yung AKAP o ayuda alang sa kapuspalan. Hindi ito napaloob ito sa DSWD budget, kaya lang hindi ni-request ng DSWD. Wala sa kanilang National Expenditure Program o NEP. Pati ang DBM, wala rin. Hindi nila isinama. Pagdating sa Kamara, sa mga kongresista, biglang naisingit na naman. Kagaya last year, yung AKAP na yan, isiningit lang, I think 26.7 billion last year. Ngayon, dinagdagan pa. 39 billion pesos. Mas malaki pa daw itong AKAP budget kumpara sa budget ng Department of Foreign Affairs at iba pang mga ahensya. Grabe. So, mabuti na lang binusisi ni Senate Minority Leader Pimentel at sinang-ayunan din ni Senator Grace po, ang chairman sa Committee on Finance, na hindi nila isasama sa report. Tatanggalin nila yung AKAP na yan at pag-usapan na lang nila sa Bicameral Conference Committee. So, grabe, no? Ano bang gagawin nila sa AKAP na ang laking pondo at hindi klaro kung sino ang makakatanggap. So, pasalamat tayo sa ating mga senador na binubusisi nila yung budget kasi sayang din yan, 39 billion pesos kung saan-saan lang mapunta. Okay, pakinggan natin itong talakayan sa budget hearing. Again, salamat kay Senator Pimentel at Senator Grace po.
Plenary.
And then I think one difference of our committee report when compared to the GAB this time is we took out the AKAP.
Yes, Mr.
AKAP.
President.
Opo. Andito naman yung ating LBRMO na may institutional memory. Last year ba yung AKAP ay kasama sa GAB o hindi? May we know, Madam, Chairwoman?
Hindi po kasama sa GAB.
Hindi nga kasama sa GAB. So last year, si AKAP, wala na sa NEP, wala pa sa GAB, lumabas sa BICAM. Okay, ngayon, sa ngayong taon, si AKAP wala sa NEP pero nasa GAB. Tapos, so improved. Actually, if you look at the basic facts, improved ang situation ni AKAP because it's now part of GAB. So, what is the reason why in some parts of the GAB, sinunod ng committee natin, how come this part of the GAB where there is an AKAP to the tune of, ang AKAP kasi is ayuda sa kapos ang kita program to the tune of 39 billion. So, on that point, hindi tayo nag-agree sa GAB. May we know the reasoning of the committee?
Mr. President, this is also in deference to the Vice Chair of the Committee on Finance for the DSWD. When I spoke to her about this, what she said is she would like to discuss further and to look into what really is the report on the progress of AKAP. Who has it been disbursed to? Is it really necessary or is this already part of a redundant program that can be rationalized? So, hindi po nangangahulugan na i-retain o tatanggalin natin. Kasi pagdating po sa plenary at saka yung mga submissions ng mga amendments, doon natin makikita paano na-justify ng Finance Vice Chair yung pagtatanggal o pagbabalik nitong AKAP na to?
Yung 39 billion pesos na budget for a program, mas malaki po yan sa budget ng ibang departments? Tama po?
Tama po.
Tama po. Actually, mas malaki siya sa Department of Foreign Affairs, Mr. President. Tama po? Tama po ba?
Kahit po sa budget ng Congress, mas malaki po yan. Kaya nga po,
Wag sa atin, wag natin i-compare sarili natin. Let's say sa Department of Foreign Affairs.
mas
Tama?
malaki.
Oh.
Alam niyo po, talagang nagulanta nga ang marami dahil nga, syempre hindi naman barya-barya lang ito. Ngayon, kung talaga namang nakakatulong, kailangan malaman din natin, no? Paano ba ito nakatulong? Ito ba ay kailangan o umulit lang sa isang programa na pwedeng doon na lang natin ilagay imbis na dito? So, yun po yung mabuti rin maringgan pagdating sa budget ng DSWD. Pag-explica ng, alam ko naman, very efficient yung ating secretary ng DSWD. Baka mas kaya niyang i-explica kung paano ba nangyari ito, paano ba ipamahagi ito. Tapos, malaman natin sa Finance Vice Chair kung ito ay tatanggapin niya at ano ang dahilan kung tatanggapin niya o hindi niya tatanggapin.
So doon po sa DBCC and the DBM which drafted our the budget, may we know the reason why they dropped AKAP? Because AKAP is in the GAA, GAA 2024. So alam nila yun, may historical knowledge sila, o historical data. But they dropped AKAP from NEP. May we know the reason why? What is the economic manager's thinking, Mr. President? To also guide us.
Mr. President, I was just informed that it was not part of the draft proposal of the DSWD for NEP 2025. So,
Hindi kasi paakyat yung ano, wala nga sa lista.
so sa GAB, dinagdag po ito.
Okay, so ibang process po yun. Okay po. Pwede humingi na advice sa economic managers? Is this expenditure, 39 billion peso expenditure, a wise expenditure?
Mr. President, according to our Secretary of Finance, it's a wealth transfer, and personally, he supports it.
But we will take this up more in detail when the DSWD budget is being tackled. Because yun na nga, it's a wealth transfer, but because of lack of particulars, we are not clear on who we are transferring that amount to, Mr. President. And there are definitely siguro more people, there are definitely segments of society more in need of the amounts than those who are actually receiving the AKAP because hindi siya well-defined.
Okay, actually,
Hindi siya clear nga sa Poorest of the Poor, unlike yung ibang programs na talagang 4Ps, you have to be in the registry of the poor households. Ito, subject to. I think, ganun, anyway, wala naman siya sa committee report natin, but if ever if the amount will be restored, then kasama niya yung mga special provisions na kadikit niya hindi rin clear doon who will be the recipients of AKAP. That's the
I agree.
we will bring this up again when we come to the DSWD budget.
Actually, Mr. President, any program that can really be disseminated to those that are deserving and in need, any time that the government has extra cash or the capability to support them, we support it as long as it's something that is sustainable. And I understand and I agree with the minority leader that let us see what the criteria really is and who were the beneficiaries of this. Kasi sino ba yung nagsabi? Depende kung sino ka naka-standby sa sa munisipyo, yun lang yun ang
Yes, so-
bibigyan, di ba? Parang kung hindi mo alam, katulad ng sabi ni Senator Alan, kung hindi mo alam, hindi mo makukuha. So dapat malaman ng ating mga kababayan na lahat kung may mga programang bago ang gobyerno. Yun lang naman.
That's why, yes, this representation appreciates the decision of the committee led by our chairwoman not to include it in our committee report. So, thank you for lack of clear justification and details.
Before we leave this
Ma'am,
point,
yes, ma'am, yes, sir.
with the permission of the Minority Leader, for the record, may I ask, ang English ba ng ayuda wealth transfer? No, is that how the economic team views ayuda programs of the government as a wealth transfer mechanism?
Mr. President, it's partially true because it's transferring wealth to the poor. There are certain or lower middle class. Kasi nga, di ba, it's wealth because I guess it's an asset that we have, cash reserves or whatever, and the allocation of which we transferred. So
If it's wealth transfer in part, what is the other part? In part lang kamo eh. What is the other part of ayuda? If it's not just wealth transfer.
So there are other means, free education, health assistance. So they're not necessarily wealth transfers, but they are still assistance.
So
I
wealth
guess-
transfer would only refer to cash transfers,
yes, Mr. President.
not to transfers or assistance that are in kind.
For now, that's a loose
Educational
loose
assistance,
definition.
health assistance, they're not viewed as wealth transfer mechanisms of the administration.
Yes, not necessarily. So it's a loose definition, but basically what we're saying is it's something that we are imparting, sharing also na makarating dun sa ating mga kababayan.
Thank you, distinguished
It's
sponsor.
1% of GDP.